Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Tesa Bath Plus soap dish for the shower. And the main fact here, the important fact is can be attached without drilling. And it's removable. So we can remove it again and again, and we can easily reuse it, of course with the new attachment adapter. The substrate always remains undamaged, and this is a nice fact in this. The soap dish is also a visual enrichment for every bathroom. The Tesa Bath Plus soap dish is ideal for storing bars of soap and other utensils safely in the shower area. Thanks to the adhesive solution, it can be attached without drilling. There is no damage to the substrate. Fastening adapter and adhesive take over the function of the dowel and the screw and develop a high holding power. However, we can detach the soap dish at any time and reuse it with a new adapter. The soap dish not only shines because of its chrome-plated surface, but also because of its attractive design. Of course, you have to make a clear installation with it. And the first thing is you have to clean the surface where you like to attach it. This has to be grease-free, fat-free, water-free, dust-free, and then you can start to temporarily attach it by the labels. And then the next step is you take the glue adhesive and push it into the holding devices, the hubs. After a dry out phase of approximately 7 to 12 hours, you can attach the aluminium frame on it, tighten the screws, and use. Easy. It's really easy. This is the soap basket shower with an innovative Tesa power. Kit is the fastening technology, high gloss chrome plated, and it's a round wall plate with rounded edges, with a secure hold. It's water resistant, and of course it's removable. It gives no damage to the surface, and it's reusable with the BK1007-2 mounting adapter. This is simple and clean installation without drilling. Rub dry after showering, of course. Stick to the tiles, metal, natural stone, marble, glass, wood, and many plastics. It's not suitable for plaster, for wallpaper, wall textiles, and plastics such as PP, PE, and PTFE. The dimension of the 50mm to 135mm to 95mm. That's really good and nice looking Bath Plus by Tesa. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.